Welcome to this journey through Surah At Tur, the Mount, exploring the divine oaths and celestial reassurance found within this chapter. This video is based on the insights of Tafhim al-Quran by Maulana Maududi. The surah's name, At Tur, refers to the mountain mentioned in the first word. According to Maulana Maududi, the mountain is not merely a place. It's a towering witness to revelation, signifying truths that are solid and unshakable. Revealed during the late Meccan period, the atmosphere in Mecca was thick with hostility. While physical torture had not peaked, the Prophet ﷺ faced intense psychological warfare, including character assassination and objections. The surah opens by addressing the akhirah, or afterlife, with intense divine oaths. Allah swears by the mount, the written book, and the frequent house, asserting the certainty that the promise of Allah is true. The opening decree confirms that the punishment of the Lord will certainly occur, and none can avert it. This accountability is an immovable reality. No power can stop what is to come. The surah details two divergent paths. The deniers, who treat the truth as a jest, will face the severe reality of that day. Conversely, the muttaqeen, the God-fearing, will enjoy gardens and bliss, protected from torment. Realizing they could not defeat the logic of the Quran, the Quraysh chiefs attacked the messenger. Their strategy was a campaign of confusion, casting doubt on the Prophet's sanity and motives to prevent the common people from listening. The chiefs used contradictory labels: Majnun or madman, Kahin or soothsayer, and Sha'ir or poet. Maulana Maududi notes these accusations exposed their dishonesty, as a madman cannot be a calculated poet. The chiefs viewed the Prophet ﷺ as a calamity and wished for his ruin. The irony is that they failed to realize they were the ones in peril, stuck in darkness while he tried to save them. They also claimed the Prophet ﷺ forged the Quran himself. This was an absurdity. They mocked Allah for choosing a human messenger, yet credited a human with producing the miraculous Quran. The challenge remains to produce a discourse like it. Allah responds to the opposition not defensively, but with piercing questions that expose their ignorance. Questions like, were they created by nothing? And do they possess the treasures of your Lord? Target contradictions in their beliefs. The Quran's verdict is that miracles are useless against the wall of obstinacy. Their rejection is not due to a lack of proof, but a refusal to submit to the truth, as they would reject even the most obvious signs. The divine instruction for the believer is to ignore the taunts and continue the da'wah, or invitation to truth. The command is to persevere with patience and not let hostility dictate the mission until the decision of Allah arrives. The ultimate consolation is given to the Prophet: be patient for the decision of your Lord, for indeed you are under our eyes. Allah is personally watching over, protecting, and guiding through the storm. The remedy for endurance is to glorify the praises of your Lord when you rise, and at the setting of the stars. Connection with the divine is the source of strength that makes the mountains of worldly opposition crumble.